Food lovers, get in here. Come, let's make some authentic Jamaican rice and peas. First thing, we're going to add the peas and the garlic in the pot. Then we're going to squeeze out that fresh coconut milk and then we're going to pour it in the pot. We're going to drop a few pimento seeds and we're going to add salt to the pot. Give this a nice stir. Cover and let peas cook until tender. Once the peas are ready, go in with your scallion and thyme. Pierce a hot pepper and just toss that right in. Cover and let everything combine nicely. Next thing, guys, we're gonna add the wash rice to the pot. And guys, this is the most important part. Ensure that the liquid is only 1 inch above the rice. I don't know how you guys gonna measure it. Use a wooden spoon, mark 1 inch or something. Figure it out. And guys, make sure you taste the pot before you add the rice, because all the water tastes, so the rice are gonna taste. Cover that and let that steam for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, go in, remove your scallion and thyme, remove your hot pepper, and guys, fluff the rice. If the rice seems tough, add a little water, because guess what? If it's soft, you can't do nothing about that again. After you fluff the rice, you cover it, turn off the stove, and let it sit. When the rice finish, it should be looking something like this. Guys, hope you enjoy this recipe. If you have any question, ask and I shall answer. Have a great one. Bye.